This Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find IPOs to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. So once you open up Seeking Alpha, I want you to go to the top left and press on the arrow. Then scroll down to Stock Analysis and then press on Stock Ideas. On the Stock Ideas page, you can go ahead and check a bunch of different analysis on the stocks or the other stuff that you're looking for. So in this case, you're looking for IPOs. Just scroll down to where it says IPOs right here and then press on that. Once you're here, it'll say the latest IPO stock analysis. What you can actually do now is just scroll down and view a bunch of different articles regarding a bunch of different stocks or a bunch of different ticker symbols, and then you can go ahead and make a decision based on what you read if you choose to do so or not. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to find IPOs to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.